June 2024, 33 variant. Topic is differential equation. And what a question given: container shape of the cuboid. Square based. It means length and width both are same. Okay. And height is 10 minus x. You can see clearly. It is a given that x varies with respect to time. Okay. And container decreases in a volume wise. So what is the volume change in volume? Rate of change of volume is inversely proportional to t. How to write this kind of thing? So rate of change of volume, whenever rate of change of volume comes, it is called d volume by dt. This is a proportional sign because it inversely proportional to t. So I got 1 by t. But as we know, decreases word is there, you are bound to write minus sign. If you will not write minus sign, you get lose mark here. So dv by dt is equals to negative k over t. I believe this part is very clear how I have achieved it. So rate of increase of x is given by him as this. It means this dx over dt is 20 by 37. And same time we have given x value and time value. And we have to show this connection, this relationship. How to do it? Students, so if we check it carefully, whenever more than two variables involved in the question, we always use chain rule. So by chain rule, repeat my words. So whenever more than two variables involved in a question, for example, in the whole question, we have three variables, x and t and v for volume. So three parameters are used in this question. But how to write the formula? So this is my target to achieve. What is the target to achieve? Start from there. So dx by dt is my task. I will write two fractions. This write in the first numerator and this write in second denominator. So x and t gone. What left? Volume. Volume will come up and down. So d volume and d volume. So this value I will get from there, no issue at all. This value I will get from here, no issue at all. What left behind? Dx by d volume. I am going to write it now here. Volume formula of the cuboid is length, width into height. Length into width into height. I'm getting x into 10 minus x. So basically, if x into x square and 10 minus x. So I am getting 10x square and x to power 3. If I differentiate d volume by dx, dv over dx. So 2 comes down, 20 power 1 less, and 3 comes down and power 1 less. So this is, it means this value, sorry, the middle value I have even, okay, but reciprocal, x up, volume down, volume up, x down. So I'm going to plug in all values. So let's start. First of all, this value come here, 20 by 37. This value in reciprocal format, it means 1 over this will come down, 1 over 20x minus 3x to power 2, which is somehow match. Okay. And what is this value I get from there? Negative k over t. Negative k over t. Now, students, I have to get rid of the k. What is the method? We will plug in this pair of values, x and t. So when I plug in this value, 20 by 37, and when I plug in half here in the fraction, so it is giving me 4 over 37. And when I plug in this t value 1 by 10, so basically 1 over 10, it will flip up. And negative cancel out, 37 cancel out, and we are getting here, this is coming negative 10k. So we got a negative 20 equal to negative 40k. It goes down and k value becomes a half. And then I plug in back this value where? Interesting part, this is my target to achieve. So it is very clear. I will write this formula once again, this formula once again. So dx by dt, I'm copying as it is, no change. This value also no change. K value, I'm copying half. And when you copy half in the numerator, it will slip down. You get a negative 1 over 2t. And negative will stay as its match start matching. So negative in the middle, or 1 over 2t in the bracket 20x minus 3x to power 2, and on the top I got minus 1. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, proved. So this part is proved. Okay, now first part done. In case in exam you're not able to prove first part, so you can skip it and you can take this expression and prove the part number 2, which I'm going to do now. Get ready, students. So step number 1, how do the B part? We have to make a T expression, so T subject. So what is the method? First of all, cross multiply T subject. So so I'm going to do this complete, copy and paste here. Okay. All right. So step number 1, separation of variables. Students, let me check again. Is it completely correct? Yes, completely correct. Okay. So cross multiply. So so dt will go there, and this x value will multiply there. So I'm writing 20x minus 3x to power 2 times to dx is equal to negative 1 over 2t dt. Repeat my words, because x in terms of x, so term x, so t in terms of x. So we have to make a t subject. So first of all, I will change the sides. So do 1 over, and this 2 I will multiply this side. Reason, I just tell you what is the reason behind. Just wait. Negative sign is shift on the other side, 2 shift on the other side. I get this kind of thing. Okay, what is the reason behind? What is your subject? Try to reduce the burden of the variables. Like a 2, you not need it, you need on the other side. A negative sign, you shift on the other side. So separation of the variables is done. Now I'm integrating. So what is the way of integrating? Let's start. Integral sine 1 over t dt. Negative 2 multiply in the inside or keep outside. Better to keep outside. So I'm writing this way, 20x minus 3x to power 2 dx. And this is a function down, derivative up, power 1 log of t. What is the situation here? Increase the power by 1 divide by same. Increase the power by 1 divide by same. N plus c. So I'm getting log of t and negative 2 in the bracket 10 x to power 2 negative x cube. Okay, students. Now I have this pair of values t 1 by 10 and x half. T 1 by 10 and x half. I'm going to put it now. Log of 1 by 10. Okay, when I plug in half inside, so let's see what happens here. So again, 10 times to 10 times to 104. I mean 10 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by 4, 2 cube is giving us 8. Let me recheck again. Just a minute. Actually, I'm plugging it value here and here. So I got a 10 times 2, 10 and 10 over 4 and 1 by 8. So it is a coming with us and multiply into negative 2. Wait a minute. So I'm getting negative 19 over 4. I got here negative 19 over 4 plus C. Okay. Now this is done. So what is my plan to get the value? This will go on the other side. C value is coming with me log of, okay, I can open it. If I open it, what happened? Log of 1 minus log of 10. which make question easier. Plus 19 over 4. Plus 19 over 4. And log of 1 is 0. If you don't expand, no problem, but better to expand. And this is a done. After this, both values, I'm going to plug in it here. So what I get, ln of t is equals to, and negative 2 multiply inside. When multiply inside, I get a negative 20. Okay, negative 20 x to power 2 and negative positive 2x to power 3 minus log of 10 plus 19 over 4. So this value I plug in it here. Now my task is to what? To make it. Okay, let me recheck finally. Okay, x cube, x square. Okay, ln 10. What is sorry, this is a ln 10. Wait, let me check again. ln 10. Okay. So now what is the way to complete a question? And just a minute. So now you know this is a log form, students. This is a log form, two numbers in the log form, and this is no log, no log, and no log. And you know very well when any number you want to convert to log form, for example, 6 is 6 into 1. We can replace 1 by log of e, and 6 will go in the power. So it means this. So this is a story. If any number like a k, you can write ln e to power k. So same story, I can write it now. ln e to power negative 20 x to power 2. And even here, even this I can write together, no issue at all. Even this I write together here. Only and only this whole thing, this went in power. Only left part is negative ln 10 left. Repeat my words. This is ln, this two values ln. Rest value 1, 2, 3 I brought in a power. Now due to minus sign, I can say here logarithm e to power negative 20 x to power 2, 2x to power 3 plus 19 over 4 and divided by 10, divided by 10. Okay, now here ln t, ln cancel out and we got this answer. So you write as it is or write 1 over 10 e to power, write in order. In order means first I'm writing x cube, then I'm writing x square, and then I'm writing the number. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I hope so the concept is very clear, but let me check what he was asking us. He said term in the x. So no need, he said 3SF or whatever. So in the terms of exact form. So I hope so the concept of the question is completely over.